Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore BigBear.ai Holdings in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 14th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 14th of August, 2025, our system has identified BigBear.ai Holdings as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.48. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 81.91% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 81.91% to 199.55%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 67.65%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 14.25% to 252.06% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $6.67 and $20.56. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for BigBear.ai Holdings as stock downgraded to sell candidate. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price gained approximately 0.516% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 14th of August, 2025. The price rose from $5.81 to $5.84. Throughout the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 6.58%, with a low of $5.62 and a high of $5.99. Over the last 10 days, the stock has declined in 6 of those days, down by 8.03% during this period. The trading volume fell on the last day by 19 million shares, resulting in a total of 68 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $396.11 million. It's important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $10.35, while the lowest was $1.24. Currently, the price is 43.57% or $4.51 below the 52-week high, and 63.77% or $10.28 below the all-time high reached on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai's shares experienced a significant decline this week following a disappointing second quarter report that fell short of expectations. Revenue decreased by 18% year-over-year, totaling $32,470,000 compared to the anticipated $41,200,000. Management has revised the full-year outlook downward and has withdrawn previous profitability guidance. The stock briefly dropped by about 30% and has faced considerable volatility, despite having increased over 300% in the past year. Analysts have opted to downgrade their ratings, pointing to shrinking margins, rising losses, and an inflated valuation, even as the company maintains a healthy cash reserve. On a positive note, BigBear.ai announced a commercial integration of its Pangium threat detection solution with Smiths Detection's HI-Scan CTIX CT baggage scanners. This development could enhance airport and border security sales on a global scale. Additionally, the company is actively seeking new defense and international contracts to offset setbacks in Army programs. In the short term, anticipate further selling pressure, volatility, and downside risk as investors process the weaker guidance. Long-term recovery will hinge on securing new contract wins, stabilizing revenue, reducing cash burn, and restoring margins. These are essential milestones to validate the recent stock rally. Analyst ratings. On the 30th day of December 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade along with a hold action. On the 15th day of October, 2024, it was again reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to BigBear.ai Holdings stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even though prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, potentially serving as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Additionally, some negative signals have been issued, which may impact its near-term development. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings is currently receiving sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook. There is also a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at $6.45 and $6.97. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 17, 2025, and to date, it has declined by 28.95%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 21 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 189 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 7 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 35 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $5.80, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 370 cents between its high and low, representing a movement of 6.58%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 11.56%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's take a moment to review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns due to various uncontrollable factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates indicate a loss of 6 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $6.65. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the stock, this could be a suitable level for swing trading considerations. Conversely, on the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings faces its first support level at $5.80. If this support level remains intact, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 30th of June 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider sale of 6,524 shares of common stock. On the 30th of June 2025, Blankenship Carolyn conducted an insider sale of 5,945 shares of common stock. On the 30th of June 2025, Michelainen Kevin conducted an insider sale of 3,113 shares of common stock. On the 6th of June 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider purchase of 39,788 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings, LLC conducted an insider purchase of 65,822 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 89.891. Overall, insiders purchased 2,795,254 shares and sold 135,474,287 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been established. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings shows several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we believe that BigBear.ai Holdings will perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis from a hold to a sell recommendation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 15th of August, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open lower by approximately 2 cents and start trading at around $5.82. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.